In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a CNAME record in Cloudflare. This process might seem a bit technical at first, but don't worry. I'm here to guide you through it step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to confidently add a CNAME record to your domain. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Cloudflare account. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of the domains that you manage. Go ahead and select the domain or website where you want to add the CNAME record. It's essential to make sure you're working on the correct domain to avoid any unexpected changes. After selecting your domain, navigate to the DNS tab on your domain dashboard. The DNS section is where you'll manage your domain's DNS records, including the CNAME record we're about to add. You'll notice various options and settings here, but for today, we're focusing on just one task: adding a CNAME record. Next, locate the Add Record button and click on it. Once you've done that, you'll be prompted to choose the type of DNS record you want to add. Since we're creating a CNAME record, select CNAME from the drop-down menu. This setting ensures that you're creating the right type of record for your needs. Now it's time to fill in the required fields. Start with the name field. Here, you'll enter the subdomain you want to create a CNAME for. Examples of subdomains include www, blog, or shop. It's crucial that you enter the correct subdomain, as this directs where your CNAME will point. Next, move on to the target field. In this spot, you need to enter the destination domain. It's important to note that this must be another hostname and not an IP address. This is because CNAME records point to domains rather than IPs. Make sure you have the correct destination domain to avoid any connectivity issues later on. Now we have the TTL, or time to live. This setting determines how long the record is cached. Unless you have a particular reason to change it, you can leave this setting to auto or the default, which is typically 3600 seconds. This is generally a good default for most purposes. Finally, choose the proxy status. For most CNAME records, it's best to set the proxy status to DNS only, which is represented by a gray cloud. This setting avoids any potential proxying issues unless you specifically need Cloudflare's protection or caching for your CNAME. Once everything is set up correctly, go ahead and click Save to create the record. And there you have it. Your CNAME record is now added to your Cloudflare domain, directing your subdomain traffic to the specified destination domain. I hope this process was straightforward and that you feel more comfortable managing your DNS settings on Cloudflare. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.